The highly anticipated Google Pixel 8 has been the subject of numerous leaks and rumors in recent months, generating significant excitement among tech enthusiasts. While Google has yet to make an official announcement regarding this phone, we have gathered substantial insights into what to anticipate. In this video, we will delve into the most prominent leaks surrounding the Pixel 8, ensuring you are well informed and ready for its impending release. One of the big changes in the Pixel 8 could be its looks. It might have a smoother and more polished appearance, kind of like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Also, the camera part on the back of the phone might be made to look more integrated and neat. Inside the Pixel 8, there could be a new and improved Google Tensor chip. This chip might make the phone work better and use less power. The Pixel 8 might have the same 3-camera setup as the Pixel 7 Pro. That means it could have a 50MP main camera, a 12MP wide-angle camera, and a 48MP zoom camera with 4x zoom. But there might also be new camera features like Video Boost, Night Sight for low-light videos, Audio Eraser, and Magic Editor. Other things people are guessing about the Pixel 8 include a bigger battery, faster charging, and a special fingerprint sensor hidden under the screen. In short, the Google Pixel 8 looks like it's going to be a really cool phone. With its fresh design, strong processor, and better cameras, it could be one of the best phones of the year.